One more day of Vida, guys. I thought I'd make a blooper out of this. Hi! Last day of... Anyway, it's day 20. No, it's not. It's day 30. We're going to leave this in because it's bloopers. These are like live bloopers. I'm loving your bloopers already. They're making me giggle and a little bit weird, as you can tell. These are bloopers. I've not even looked at what I have to bloopers, so if they're shit, I apologise, and I love your faces again. Hi, how you doing? No. My nose is so itchy. Ah. So we did it, Vida. No, let's start like that. That's shit. You probably... Oh, I can't do this today. Sundays. Obviously, as the sun sets, we are cooked once again by my robot android slave. No. Also, in my perfect day, I wouldn't have hay fever because this is a bitch. And swimming makes you burp. Ooh. I pride myself Vida suggestions on the whole thing at the beginning when we started. My computer made a weird sound there. I'm also really badly lit. Ta-da! Light. Let's do without the light. Within the fact that I would just... No. Just... It will get to me and we can refund the Rat Pack. Bagsy James Dean. No, he wasn't about the Rat Pack. Hello and Vida day 13. No, why do I always say day 13 then? Caption music, save it on phone. Oh, you son of a bitch! I didn't record. Ah. Do we drink? I need to check the thing. Do you drink? You want to hear a story of a... Do you want to hear a story of a nice house? Shut up, text. Hey, I'm back. That's the end. Bye.